Sheriff's Department. 70's now running through the residentials at Portia and Manor.
Running through the residentials at Portia and Manor.
Which way did it go?
You're okay. We're all gonna be okay. You just need to drop the knife. I know you can do it, dude. I've made eye contact with you. I know you're a good dude. You're just having a bad day. That's okay. Bro, it's okay to have a bad day. He's got a gun!
Call Sam, he's got a gun.
Sam, with a gun. There's a rifle, possibly a BB gun, but I'm sure it's not.
He's got a gun.
Hey, get cover!
There's a rifle, possibly a BB gun up here.
Who's got shields?
I got a shield. My car's over there, though.
Rowdy, you got cover. Come back.
Hey, we got one walking this way. So we may have one walking our way. Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun!
Where is he?
He's behind this fence. Shots fired!
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Well,
Drop it, man! Drop it!
Will, where is he?
Drop the gun!
Additional shots fired.
King 1, we have limited odds from the front of the house. Can't see through the fence.
10-4. Northwest corner, currently down. Looks like there is blood. He is still moving right next to both the knife and a firearm. Looks like a rifle.
Not sure yet. One of us is going to be rolling with them.
It's just facing feet out.
So walk there, you can have a seat. Stay away. Yeah, we'll take the driver.
Got it.